The trust we have in this company is that there's always going to be molten aluminum that needs to be moved. The world's always going to need stuff made of metal, and that's what we expertise in. We move metal.
We're in molten metal, and our goals are to really kind of just work with customers and solve their customer problems all over the world. We're a solutions provider.
One of the things I like about Pyrotek, although it is a big global company, I really feel like we are like a family. There is always something new here. We're always getting new jobs in here, and it's always great to be part of a team, working with engineering and management, get something completed in a timely manner.
I enjoy my team at Pyrotek. It's hands-on, and we all help each other to get the task completed.
And we try to give everybody creative freedom. Here's the goal, but you can tell me how to get there.
I think that's the best part about the company is the management, because it starts from the top. The people that they hire, it's not all about just what they know, it's a lot of personality. If you got the personality, we can train them to do anything.
I'm a machinist here at Pyrotek. I've been machining for over 25 years. Been here about 3 weeks, and I absolutely love being here.
In the 2.5 years that I've been here, they've done everything for me they said they would. They've gone above and beyond in certain instances, and it's just a really steady company, and they make me feel welcome.
My focus as an HRBP is just to make sure that I'm meeting the needs of all of our employees. I try to recruit and bring in really great talent, but the most important part is to make sure that we're taking care of the people that we have here.
The fact that they promote from within and they're willing to take you to the next level speaks volumes to me.
If you have a great attitude and you look forward to working, you're a good worker, you will shoot through the roof with the company.
I think there are a lot of good benefits here. There's a lot of room to grow.
I love the flexibility, the people I work with. I love the benefits and my work schedule. I just love everything about it.
It's also given me the opportunity to make more money and do things I never thought I'd be able to do.
When I first started here, my uncle worked here. I've had a brother that worked here, and even now I have 3 nephews that work here, and my son work here with me. It's like a big family.
We have a pretty fantastic group here, really family-oriented. We have a lot of people who have known each other for a lot of years. The one thing I love about this place is we have a lot of longevity. We've had people that have been here for 35, 45 years, and to me that's phenomenal. I think that's one of the coolest aspects because you don't stay places that you don't like to be.
I would definitely recommend Pyrotek to a friend. It's a very nice place to work.
I can't imagine working at a better place.
Coming to Pyrotek was the best move I could have made for my career.